everybody, welcome to Life with Sammy Lee, and it is week 34 on our cleaning and decluttering series. And don't pay much attention to my upper lip. Dusty and I had a little headbutting situation Saturday. I was laying down and she saw a butterfly and wanted out the door and jumped up and hit me right here. And the swelling's gone down, but it's still pretty black and blue. And I don't want to put any makeup on it or anything. I just kind of want it to heal. So don't pay any attention to my lip. Let's get back to our cleaning and decluttering. It will soon be September. And we can already feel the nighttime temperature starting to drop. It's a little bit cooler in the mornings when we get up. And it's soon going to be time to get the sweatshirts out and get the jackets out and start thinking about changing our closets to the fall and winter season. And a lot of people don't have a large closet. They have a small closet. And they have to change out the clothing from suitcases and stuff. So now is the time to start doing that. If you have to change out seasonal clothing, check and make sure that everything you have for fall and winter is the correct size and that you like them. And if you don't, if they're the wrong size or you don't really like them or they're really out of style, declutter them and buy yourself some new stuff if you can. And that way, not only will you have a cleaner closet and stuff, but you'll feel a little bit better about having some new clothes. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch out the seasonal clothing if we have to. And if you remember correctly, I did my closet a couple weeks ago and I divided it into different sections, like summer section, fall section, and winter section. So I'm lucky enough to have a big enough closet that I don't need to do that. Okay, the way I organized my closet is I got all my dresses and winter coats here. My long sleeve outfits are here and here. Short sleeve outfits are there. Sleeveless ones are in here. And all these are sweaters. And sweatshirts are up there. And the sheets and things are here. Purses are over there. Winter gear is basically downstairs. But the only problem is I'm short. All my sweatshirts are pretty tall up. My jeans are here. So I'm going to have to get myself a little step stool so I can reach up there to get my sweatshirts. But the ones I use most are right in this area. So I don't have to change my closet out. But some people do. And I did get some. I did go through the sweaters. And those two bags are the sweaters that I have to decide what to do with. However, the sweatshirts and the sweaters I did have to go through. And so that's another thing that you're going to do this week if you didn't do it when you did the closet clean out. Is go through your sweatshirts, go through your sweaters, take out any that are worn, torn, or just not your style anymore, or too small or too big, if you're lucky for that. And declutter any sweaters that you don't like, declutter them, and just get your closet. I got a mosquito trying to get me. Get your closet organized. And I do have some sweaters that I did declutter. And the next thing we're going to do is, if you have to store clothes, if you have to put them, label, like if you put them in suitcases, if you put summer clothes in suitcases, label those as summer clothes so you won't have to go through everything to find what you want. Like you might have something that's kind of fall, winter, and or fall, summer, or spring, summer, that's just not quite summer, but not quite fall, not quite winter either. might want to put those in as spring clothing, and then another one you might put in as summer clothing. If you have to divide them up, that's what I would do. And make an inventory of them so you know where they're at. And the next thing we're going to do, if you have small children, babies and stuff, that have outgrown baby clothes and stuff, we're going to declutter the baby stuff. Now, I don't have any babies. I haven't had any babies for a long time. Most of my baby stuff that has already gotten rid of, or it's up in the attic, and I'm not going to worry about that right now because the attic is it's another project all of its own. So we're not doing anything like that. But if you do have babies and they've outgrown the stuff, it's best to get, and you're not planning on having any more babies, it's best to just get the clutter out of the house. And anything that's stained or broken, get it out of the house. Gosh, got mosquitoes everywhere. And last of all, it's time to start putting the summer decorations away and think about putting out some fall decorations. So that's what we've been up to this week.